For your site to rank better in search engine results pages, you need to create a good organizational structure, which will make it easier for your visitors to find your content. That's why WordPress offers the option to add categories and tags. But as you add more content, you may want to improve the way you organize your posts, and you may decide to rename some of your categories or tags. The problem is that as your site grows, renaming some of your categories or tags becomes a tedious task, as you need to rename each of them individually. That's the reason why we want to show you how easy it is to rename hundreds or thousands of blog categories or tags using the Categories, Tags, Product Attributes, Taxonomy Spreadsheet plugin. It completely simplifies the way you manage your categories, tags, etc., allowing you to edit them in an intuitive and easy-to-use spreadsheet. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. After we have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we'll need to open the spreadsheet that we'll use. For this example, we'll use the category spreadsheet, but you can also use the tags spreadsheet and the process will be the same. Now you'll see the spreadsheet containing all your categories and their complete information. Every row is a category and every column is a field. You can search for all categories or tags containing a specific keyword using the search tool. For example, let's search for all categories containing the blog keyword. Now just need to enter the keyword in this field and run the search to filter all the categories that contain the keyword selected. If what you need is to rename the filtered categories, you can easily do it with the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select to edit the rows from our current search. Now select the name field. Choose to set the value. And enter the new name here. Finally, execute and all the selected categories will be updated. Renaming hundreds of categories doesn't have to be something out of this world. It's really simple and fast with the Categories, Tags, Product Attributes, Taxonomy Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.